Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel CSIP Academy. Today I am going to explain about computer system organization. This chapter is related with class 11th of computer science chapter number 1. So without any delay I am just going to start the topics that I am going to explain. The first topic is what is computer. Actually everybody know we are living in the age of computer. We are using technology. Suppose if you are withdrawing money from the ATM, we are using computer based software. So we are living in the age of internet and computer. So without any delay, just I am going to explain what is computer. Computer, it is an electronic device. Electronic device. What do you mean by device? Device means is machine that can perform multiple tasks. That is called as a device. Suppose my smartphone is a device. It performs different tasks. So what is a computer? A computer is an electronic device that accepts meaningful information, and after processing information it will produce output as a result. So before discussing this topic, I am going to explain and differentiate between data and information. What is a data? Data, it is a raw facts and figure. Raw facts and figure means it is not a complete information. Suppose I am writing here Aman 1188. It don't clear what is this. It is not a complete information. So Aman 11 and 88, it is not a complete information, and after processing, whenever we will write name Aman, class 11th and marks 88, it means it is a complete information. So complete information, so data after processing it produce information. Computer follows IPO cycle. IPO cycle means input, process and output. Whenever you will give information, that is called as input, and after processing all inputs in processing unit, that is called as CPU, that is called as process, and after processing all information and instructions, it will produce output as a result. So computer works as a principle of IPO cycle. Okay, so input, process and output. In the processing time, it saves some information that is called as storage. It is in memory unit. Memory unit is related to store information. Okay, and it holds data and instructions. Okay, after processing instructions, it will produce as a output. Output, it is related with output device. Output, what is the output device? Output device, it may be monitor, printer. Okay, input part is related with input device. Input device, it refers to keyboard, mouse, joystick, microphone and all this. Explain about CPU, central processing unit. Central processing unit, it consists of CU, ALU and registers. CU stands for control unit, ALU stands for arithmetic logic unit and registers. So input unit, it interacts with this one part CPU, and after processing all these things it will produce output. I am going to explain one by one. Input unit. What is input unit? Input unit related with keyboard, mouse, light pen. Light pen, it is a pointing device. What is OMR? OMR stands for optical mark reader. Okay. A smart card reader, all you know. What is a smart card reader? Barcode reader. Barcode reader, it is used generally, it is used in a shop that reads as an input device. QR code, quick response code. QR code stands for quick response code. It is used as an input device. MICR, it stands for magnetic ink character reader. MICR, magnetic ink character reader. Okay, clear? MICR generally you have seen in a checkbook. In a checkbook it is written as in terms of MICR. OCR stands for optical character reader. OCR, suppose if you have created a PDF, then some scanner scans its OCR, optical character reader, to read its contents. Okay, so without any delay I am going to explain about CU. CU stands for control unit. It controls all the activities inside CPU. It coordinates input unit, output unit. CU, it coordinates ALU and registers. I am going to explain what is ALU. ALU stands for arithmetic logic unit. Arithmetic logic unit means it performs all arithmetic calculation like addition, subtraction, multiplication and deletion, division and all these things. Logical operation means logically greater than, less than, greater than, equal to, less than, equal to, all these things, it is called as logical operation. Logical operation always perform true and false. Registers. What is a register? It is storing instructions given by the CU. It stores instructions given by the CU, yani that is control unit, and after it will produce output as a result. And CU, or it also interact with the main memory. What is a main memory? Main memory is called RAM. RAM stands for random access memory. It is a when data is temporarily saved in a main memory. Whenever you will save data, then it transfer to the secondary memory, that is called as hard disk, and finally it will produce output as a result, that is called as output result. It can be shown on monitor screen. So this one is the entire structure of CPU. Thanks viewing my channel. If any suggestion, like, comment and share. Thanks a lot.